Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about how to write high scoring economic answers for the CBSE Class 12 board exams. So let's begin. Imagine writing the same answer but scoring 6 out of 6 instead of 3 out of 6. That's the power of perfect answer writing. Today, in this video, I will show you how to write answers that force the examiner to give you full marks. Let's start with the part 1. Why students lose marks? Most students study the entire syllabus but still lose 8 to 12 marks because the presentation and structure is weak. You may know the chapter, but if you don't know the format, keywords, diagrams, and flow, you cannot score full marks. Today, I will fix that all. Part number 2, perfect economic answer format. Step number 1, intro. Start your answer with a very crisp definition or concept. No stories, no long paragraph, just a 1 to 2 line definition that directly tells the examiner, yes, the student knows the concept. For example, the definition of demand. Demand refers to the quantity of a good that a consumer is willing and able to purchase at a given price during a given period. Step number 2, body. Main explanation. This is where you score marks. Use headings, points, numbering, keywords, and diagrams. Format, meaning, concepts. Number 2, explanation. Number 3, subpoints. Number 4, diagram if required. And number 5, formula if applicable. Always write in bullet points, never long paragraph. Step number 3, diagram. Mandatory wherever needed. Toppers always make diagrams. Even if the diagram carries 0 marks, it increases clarity and boosts impression. Tips: use a pencil, label X and Y axis, show equilibrium curves clearly, give a title, figure 1, demand curve. Step number 4, conclusion, and is the most important. A short, neat concluding line makes your answer feel complete. For example, thus, an increase in price leads to a contraction in demand. Part number 3, how toppers present their answers with secrets. Use keywords. Underline keywords like increase, decrease, equilibrium, opportunity cost, marginal utility, supply curve, elasticity. This instantly tells the examiner you know the topic. Number 2, spacing plus margins. Always leave one finger space between the points. Your answer should be neat, and neat answer will award it full marks. Use boxes for formulas, diagrams, and definitions. It visually separates important points. Part number 4, how to write long answers. To score full marks in 6 marker questions, follow this golden template. First, definition 1 to 2 lines, explanation 2 to 3 points, diagram if applicable, features, effects, reasons 4 to 5 bullet points, and never miss the conclusion part. That's the topper mantra. Do not write stories, write smart, structured, and keyword rich answers. Part number 5, mistakes that cost marks. Number 1, writing big paras. Number 2, no diagrams. Number 3, not using keywords. Number 4, overwriting beyond the question. Number 5, poor handwriting, no spacing. Number 6, missing definitions. And number 7, not writing the headings properly. Fix these and your marks will jump automatically. In my last video, I broke down the most important high weightage and short exam topics that every student must study before entering the exam hall. That video was created after analyzing previous year papers, common patterns, and teachers' recommendations. So, if you haven't watched it yet, make sure you do. It's a complete exam smart guide designed to help you focus on what truly matters and avoid wasting time on low priority chapters. So make sure that you watch that video too. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe right now. More powerful exam hacks are coming soon. So make sure that you turn on your notifications and stay updated with my channel.